Welcome. In today's video I will show you how to reset Facebook algorithm and stop seeing the sensitive content. So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is tap on these three white lines in the bottom right corner. Then tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings again. Now tap on content preferences. Here unfollow the people who post sensitive content. So tap on unfollow. And now make sure to unfollow all the users that post sensitive content. Once you are done, then tap on manage defaults. Tap on sensitive content and make sure to select show less sensitive content. After that, go back, scroll down and tap on off Facebook activity. Then tap on personal details. And here what you need to do is clear your previous history. And that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.